Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get your Spotify code. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes along the way. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, the first thing you need to do is head over to Spotify. Find that song where you want to get that Spotify code from. So I want to click on this one here. And then once you're into the song, click on the three vertical dots. Then you want to go ahead and click on share. And then a new page will appear. Click on copy link, and now it's copied to clipboard. We need that for later. Alright, head back to your main screen, and now I'm going to show you how to do this on Google Chrome. So open up Chrome and now type in Spotify codes like so, and then scroll down and then paste in your URL here under where it says enter a Spotify URL to get started. So I'm going to go ahead and paste it there. And then as you can see, it's glitched out on Google Chrome. So you can click download, just it might work on your phone, might not. Scroll down, click on continue. There's the code there. You can just see a little bit of it. If you click on download, it's probably downloaded. Yep. If you open it up here, there's your code. Alright, if that didn't work for you, I can show you how to do it on Firefox. It's the same way. So head over to Firefox, type in Spotify codes, and click on the first result, spotifycodes.com. Click into that, and then paste in the code here again, like so. Click on Get Spotify Code. Scroll down to acknowledge the agreements. Click on Continue. There's your code there, and you can download it as well. Click on Download. Click on open, and there's your code. Alright, thanks for watching to the very end of this tutorial. Please consider to like the video and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful. We really appreciate it. It helps us out a lot.